Freedom is the ultimate adventure, they say. But when it comes to the Explorer archetype, it's more than just the thrill of a journey. Fueled by insatiable curiosity, these brave souls have been pushing the limits of their world, inspiring others to seek their own path. They possess the ability to break free from constraints, they're driven by their relentless pursuit of adventure, and while others conform to the norms, the Explorer chooses to live life on their own terms. And if you ever wondered how to connect to your future clients in a meaningful way, then today's video is for you. This is another episode of the Brand Archetype series. In this series, I'll help you find your own brand archetype. You learn what customers of your archetype are looking for and why brand archetypes are so important when it comes to positioning your brand. And before we start, let's give you some background information. The first who talked about archetypes in this way was famous psychiatrist Carl Jung. According to Jung, humans possess a collective unconscious that's able to recognize repeating patterns and structures in human behavior that are universally understood across countries and cultures. And they can briefly be defined into 12 types that each follow one of 4 primary goals: leave a mark in the world, provide structure, connect to others, and yearn for paradise. And today, we'll talk about the Explorer. So the Explorer is the kind of individual who leads with the desire of freedom and discovery. This is also a person who's so daring, they're often described as the seeker, adventurer, or wanderer. When you first encounter the Explorer, you might be captivated by their fearless spirit and their determination to break barriers. And that's because the Explorer lives by one guiding principle: don't fence me in. In corporate settings, explorers may seem like they're restless, but their innovative thinking often leads to groundbreaking results. And so they thrive in flexible work environments that support their need for freedom and exploration. Brands that play on the Explorer archetype are Discovery, Yeti, Jeep, and National Geographic. These brands position themselves as facilitators of adventure and personal discovery. Explorer brands encourage their customers to embrace freedom and curiosity. And so personal brands that perfectly embody the Explorer archetype are Jane Goodall, Neil Armstrong, Amelia Earhart, and Sir Richard Branson. At their best, explorers can be inspiring, resourceful, and independent. At their worst, their constant thirst for new experiences can lead them to overlook the value of what's right in front of them.
You're gonna live a long time, Ron. You should make a radical change in your lifestyle. I mean, the core of man's spirit comes from new experiences. And there you are, stubborn old man, sitting on your butt.
Sitting on my butt?
Yeah.
Ha! I'll show you! Sitting on my butt! Stubborn old man.
Come on, then. Come on.
Sitting on my butt. Ha! Yeah.
You all right?
Ah, you little pinhead. I'm gonna miss you when you go.
I'll miss you too, Ron. But you're wrong if you think that the joy of life comes principally from human relationships. God's placed it all around us. It's in everything, in anything we can experience. People just need to change the way they look at those things.
And so since explorers are driven by a desire for freedom and discovery, their biggest fear is to be trapped in a mundane or unfulfilling life. As an Explorer brand, you promote yourself as a gateway to adventure and self-discovery. Your customers will seek new experiences, authenticity, and of course, a taste of the unknown. And now I'd love to hear from you. Did you resonate with the Explorer archetype? Let me know in the comments below. As always, I hope this little video will help you build your brand with confidence. If you want to learn more about brand archetypes, make sure to check out this playlist right here. Take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.